Welcome to our Lucky Cement factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Lucky Cement is made.
The haul trucks dump their limestone loads into the primary crusher. The raw limestone tumbles in. Grizzly crushed limestone passes through secondary crushers for further size reduction. Impashers break material to small,
massive stockpiles of crushed limestone accumulate. Stacker conveyors build circular stockpiles. Reclaimer machines recover material.
Trucks deliver clay and shale, secondary raw materials for Lucky Cement production. These materials provide silica.
These additives fine-tune the raw meal chemistry for optimal Lucky Cement clinker formation.
computerized proportioning systems control raw material feeding for Lucky Cement production. Based on laboratory analysis, the system calculates precise race ratios.
Proportioned raw materials travel on covered conveyors toward the Lucky Cement raw mill. Limestone, clay, and correctives are combined in precise ratios. Carefully extracted and precisely proportioned, our raw materials now enter the grinding mill. Here, proportioned raw materials enter the Lucky Cement vertical roller mill through the central feed chute. The combined limestone, Bartgilix. Hot gases from the Lucky Cement kiln system flow through the vertical roller mill. These gases serve dual purpose. The dynamic separator atop the Lucky Cement raw mill controls product fineness. Rotating cage separators sort particles by size. Zooproots. Massive baghouse filters collect Lucky Cement raw meal from the mill exhaust gases. Thousands of fabric filter collected Lucky Cement raw meal is conveyed from the baghouse to storage silos. Air slides, bucket elevators, and pneumatic systems transport the fine powder. Quality technicians continuously test Lucky Cement raw meal from the grinding circuit. Online analyzers measure chemical composition. Towering homogenization silos store Lucky Cement raw meal before kiln feeding.
Inside the Lucky Cement homogenization silo, compressed air jets blend raw meal for uniform composition.
Radar level sensors monitor Lucky Cement raw meal inventory. Control room displays show real-time silo levels.
Homogenized Lucky Cement raw meal is extracted from silos. Weigh feeders precisely meter raw meal flow.
Ground to perfect fineness and blended to uniform chemistry, our raw meal now enters the preheater tower.
Inside the Lucky Cement preheater, raw meal contacts hot kiln exhaust gases in cyclone stages.
In the Lucky Cement calciner, raw meal reaches temperatures where limestone decarbonates. Carbon dioxide calcined transcriptions. Pre-calcined raw meal from the Lucky Cement preheater enters the upper end of. In the Lucky Cement kiln burning zone, material reaches temperatures of 1450 degrees. These
The main burner at the Lucky Cement kiln discharge end provides the heat for clinker formation. Multi-channel
infrared cameras and pyrometers continuously monitor Lucky Cement kiln shell temperature. Hotspots indicate refractory issues requiring attention.
Red-hot Lucky Cement clinker exits the kiln at approximately 1350 degrees Celsius.
The Lucky Cement grate cooler rapidly cools hot clinker using ambient air. Moving grates transport clinker visitors. Hot air from the Lucky Cement clinker cooler is recovered. Secondary air returns to the kiln. Tertiary air goes to the cooled Lucky Cement clinker passes through a crusher at the cooler exit. Large clinker nodules are reduced to smaller, uniform sizes.
Crushed Lucky Cement clinker is conveyed from the cooler to clinker storage. Pan conveyors and bucket elevators transport the abrasive material.
Forged in the intense heat of our kiln, Lucky Cement clinker now holds the reactive minerals that create cement strength.
Transcriptions. Clinker from storage and gypsum from silos are fed onto common conveyors.
Massive Lucky Cement ball mills grind clinker and gypsum into fine cement powder. The rotating drums contain steel grinding media. Systems Dolis. High-efficiency separators control Lucky Cement product fineness. Ground material passes through the separator. Ground Lucky Cement is cooled before storage to prevent quality issues. Heat generated during grinding is removed through water-cooled components or separate coolers. Pluralants. Towering cement storage silos hold finished Lucky Cement product. Multiple silos segregate different quality technicians perform comprehensive testing on finished Lucky Cement. Setting time tests measure gypsum effectiveness. Strength tests verify compressive strength. This is the new high-speed rotary packer for Lucky Cement. It fills bags with precise quantities. Every filled Lucky Cement bag passes through weight verification. Checkweighers confirm each bag contains exactly 50 kilograms. Filled Lucky Cement bags are automatically palletized for distribution. Robotic palletizers stack bags in stable patterns. Strips or transcription. For large construction projects, Lucky Cement is loaded directly into bulk tanker trucks. Perfectly ground, precisely tested, and carefully bagged. Lucky Cement now begins its journey to construction sites across the nation.
Our central quality laboratory ensures every batch of Lucky Cement meets exacting standards.
Ito at thumbed up करनी चाहिए बेटी से और इसे हम ग्राफ एंटम फोन्स इस पे एक सर्चिंग दिस इस अपने से वक्तों तेरे के एग्जेक्ट होते
Physical testing verifies Lucky Cement strength development. Mortar cubes are prepared and cured under controlled conditions.
VCAT apparatus measures Lucky Cement setting time. Initial and final set are determined according to standard procedures.
Fineness testing verifies Lucky Cement particle size. Blaine air permeability apparatus measures specific
Online analyzers continuously monitor Lucky production parameters. Cross-belt analyzers measure raw meal composition.
Continuous emission monitoring systems track Lucky Cement environmental performance. Stack monitors measured. Quality assurance personnel maintain complete Lucky Cement batch records. Every production parameter, test result, and quality verification is documented. Lucky Cement operates a substantial distribution fleet for customer delivery. Fleet management systems track vehicle locations. Lucky Cement trucks deliver to an extensive dealer network. Authorized dealers stock Lucky Cement for retail customers. Lucky Cement is delivered directly to major construction sites. Bulk tankers supply ready-mix concrete plants. Bagged cement arrives for smaller construction needs.
At a concrete batching plant, Lucky Cement is mixed with aggregates and water to produce concrete. Lucky Cement contributes to Pakistan's infrastructure development.
From limestone quarried in our own mountains, through advanced pyroprocessing and precision grinding to construction sites across Pakistan.
And that's how Lucky Cement is made. From limestone quarried from our mountains to the cement that builds Pakistan's future.